This one, 1993 Chevrolet C1500. This will be a Cheyenne regular cab long box pickup. As far as miles, right at about 77,000. Get around to the driver's side, start it up, and check out the exact miles for you. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 Chevy small block. So great engine underneath the hood. That is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. As far as the AC, everything seems to be there. May need a charge, have not had the compressor kick on and off, but power steering, power brakes, AC. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Also let you get a good look at this blacked out front grille and bumper. Nice looking truck in the two-tone with the silver on the top and the black two-tone bottom with that red highlight in between. And you can see the truck is straight also. There has not been a bunch of body work done to this. That's quite obvious. Now, I will point out there are some kind of scratches on the hood. I noticed here a little bit in the clear, into the paint a tad. That was kind of the major one. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there on it, but as far as, you know, a bunch of bubbling above the wheel wells, take a look at the cab corners, kind of your normal spots. Looking good on this truck. Remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, call us to 507-386-1726. Interior cloth bench seat. Got 5-speed on the floor. Dash is in nice shape. There's also a dash cover that goes with it. I believe I shot it up picture-wise with both. So just wanted to let you know the dash is not cracked or weathered just because there was a dash cover on there. They have this kind of custom built kind of a holder. You see this once in a while in these regular cab trucks where it's just a holder for if you wanted to put envelopes, you know, anything you may want to stick up there and hold, since there's not a lot of room on the interior for storage. Kind of so a storage bin up above it by the headliner. Now, as far as the bed of this, nice spray and bed liner, and you can also see the box isn't all dinged up, dented up. Does not appear that it's been any sort of work truck in its life. There is also a bed mat that goes over that, and then there'll be a spare tire in the back there also. And there is a tonneau cover, obviously, you can see too. I just wanted to roll that up so I could show you the bed. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Car does have did run a Carfax on this, and no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. Everything looks good on the Carfax, and you can see up and down the driver's side too. I mean, this is not full of nicks, dings. You're gonna find a few small imperfections along the way, but you know, overall, there's one little one if I can get it to show up right there. But you don't see any sort of, like I said, major dings, dents. Take a look at the cab corner down here. Kind of all the known areas where the rust starts to pop first. Just don't see it really going on this one. All right, let's check out the equipment on this. We'll start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out that engine bay. Power windows, power locks. Tilt and cruise. Again, 5-speed. Does have AM/FM cassette. Radio powers up. I have not been able to get it to play or anything come out the speakers. FYI, somewhat of a known issue on this year body style and style of radio. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Also take a look at the gauges. Here's all the gauges on this one. Work. Temp gauge will go up, obviously, when the temperature of the engine goes up. And again, controls here work and everything. I just have not have the AC compressor kick on and off. The fan blows Everything's good there. This powers up. Just not been able to get the radio to work. Wipers do work. And again, dash in nice shape, headliner in good shape. Oh, sorry about that. And seat, kind of free of rips, tears, nothing major there. This is shadowing from the steering wheel. Little bit of a stain there, but not much. Slip around to the back of this. No crazy exhaust, anything aftermarket like that. Just a good sounding, smooth running 5.7 liter. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let you get a look at the engine bay here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I want to show you this hood liner quick. Considering this is a 93, it doesn't appear this truck has really spent much time in any sort of winter weather. I got my hand up there, so kind of keep the glare off. Anyway, winter weather, this area, you know you're going to get the dried salt, residue and what have you in that hood liner. That hood liner looks clean. Might explain a few things as far as the cab corners and above the wheel wells and everything on this. And as you can see, pretty much stock, with the exception of an air cleaner. A little different intake on there. Otherwise 5.7 liter power steering, power brakes. Again, that is paired with that 5-speed manual transmission. Does have a little bit of a K&N cold air intake on there. Nice smooth runner. It's a good engine. Any Chevy guy knows that. 5.7 liter. There you have it. 1993 C1500. Looking good on those chrome wheels. Two-tone paint. Nice spray and bed liner. Give us a call on this one. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.